gun pulled, he's leaning across, pointing the gun straight up into my face.
A scary tale of road rage. A woman has a gun pulled on her at a Lehigh Acres stoplight.
As NBC2's Brittany Weiner shows us, the woman's quick thinking put the man behind bars.
What was supposed to be a fun day out.
This was Friday, 10 a.m. Two middle-aged ladies here just trying to go to the flea market.
Quickly took a horrifying turn for Carrie Emerson and her friend Paula.
I saw this guy flying up behind me out of nowhere, and I told Paula, I said, hold on, he's going to slam into us.
That car didn't hit them. Instead, Emerson says it quickly swerved and pulled up right beside them at a red light in Lehigh Acres.
I saw that he had a gun. He was pointing with the other hand for me to pull over, and he was undoing his seatbelt and put his hand on the driver's side door like he was going to exit the vehicle.
Emerson says the man didn't get out at the busy intersection. Instead, he kept threatening them from inside the car.
Gun pulled, he's leaning across, pointing the gun straight up into my face.
But as the light turned green, Emerson made a split-second decision. She and her friend snapped these pictures of the man, a child appearing to be in the back seat of the car, and a license plate, which eventually helped Lee County deputies catch 39-year-old Marcin Wachula, charging him with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
Don't be scared to report it because they see your vehicle. It's, they need to get locked up.
Something that was able to happen thanks to Emerson's quick thinking. Reporting in Lehigh Acres, Brittany Weiner, NBC2.
A tragic story.